Sa Pinas man o sa abroad, isa ang fish and chips sa mga paboritong fast food treat ng mga kids at heart. Mas matipid syempre kung magagawa natin to sa bahay. Panoorin niyo po ito. So, gagamit tayo ng 1 kilong dory fish fillet. Yung ginamit ko is frozen at na-defrost na overnight and pat-dried with paper towel. Ini-slice ko lang according to serving sizes. Sa ating batter, kakailanganin natin ng 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of water, at ground pepper. Hahaluin lang natin hanggang makombine lahat at maging smooth yung texture. And then we can start dipping our fish fillet pieces one by one. Ang last step natin, of course, is yung pagprito natin, pag-deep fry sa mainit na mantika. It will only take about 5 to 10 minutes para maging crispy yung ating fish fillet on both sides. So obviously, ang goal natin is to achieve that golden brown color. Kita natin na very crispy na outside yung ating fish fillet. Tutuloy lang natin to for the rest of the fish fillet pieces. So, I use a baking paper para ma-drain yung excess oil. I don't use paper towel kasi nababawasan yung lutong ng ating fish fillet if you use that. Siyempre, i-combine natin to with french fries na nabili ko lang frozen at pinrito. And there you see, a very crispy outside at mararamdaman natin yung tenderness ng white fish inside. Dig in!